Okay, so I know you all clicked on this video as fast as possible when you saw that notification, and let me tell you, this is definitely worth your while, because today in this video I'm going to show you something very special and a very exclusive product. This is like the most expensive and top of the line motherboard from Gigabyte. This is Gigabyte's X570 Aorus Extreme. It's like the most expensive and one of a kind motherboard made for Ryzen 3rd Gen CPUs, guys, and comes with some really awesome features. You have to watch this video till the end to know what I'm talking about. You can actually compare it like the Lamborghini of all motherboards, and I'll tell you exactly why in this video. So the thing is, if you've been following my previous videos, in one of my videos I told that I'm working on a special PC project known as Project Poseidon. Well, it's nothing but my new PC, guys. So the thing is, I'm thinking of upgrading my entire PC. You see that PC over there, I'll be giving it a complete inside and out changeover. I'll be selecting some exclusive and very powerful parts for that. So I have most of the parts, I got them before the lockdown only, but there was one part I was missing, the case. So I ordered the case, but as soon as I ordered it, the lockdown started and I couldn't get the case. So sad. So what I thought was, I can't wait for the lockdown, right? I don't know when this will be lifted, and I'm like really excited from the inside to start this project and show it to you. That's why I thought we'll think about the case later after the lockdown, but for currently I'll just use those components whatever I got, and I'll build it within this case only. And each and every component in this new build that I'm building is like exclusive, like this one over here. So I thought you guys might also be quite interested in checking them out, right? Because see, there's no video on these sort of products in India because they're quite expensive and not that easy to afford. Well, today in this video we'll be checking out this new awesome motherboard from Gigabyte, the X570 Aorus Extreme, and I'll tell you what's so special about it. So let's get started. So the X570 Aorus Extreme comes in this sort of packaging. Just by looking at the box itself, you can tell that this is a premium and a luxury category product. We've got the Aorus logo on the front, and this is a top of the line flagship motherboard from the brand. It's made for the new Ryzen 3rd Gen CPUs and comes with some really awesome features which I'll tell you in a moment. Let's see what else do we have at the back side. So over here we've got a picture of the motherboard explaining all of its features. It's got an extreme power design with a direct 16-phase digital VRM solution, has an advanced thermal reactive armor design, and is PCIe 4.0 ready out of the box. I can't wait to show you how this thing looks like. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. On opening the box, we've got the motherboard at the top, and over here you can see their tagline, "Team Up, Fight On." And here it is, guys, the much awaited motherboard, the X570 Aorus Extreme. Oh my god, this thing looks beautiful from our first looks. Just look at that beautiful aluminum armor all over the body. I never saw a motherboard like this before. So let me just keep this aside for now and show you what else we got in the package. You get an Aorus sticker pack, 2 accessory boxes, one of them includes an exclusive RGB fan commander. It's made for all the PC enthusiasts to install a lot of RGB fans, LED light strips and stuff like that in their cabinet. You can control all those stuff and also other RGB devices using the single controller module. It's a super useful accessory that you're getting free in the package. And in the other box you've got some paperwork. Make sure to read that for all the info. All the usual cables and connectors that you get basically with most of the mobos. And lastly, you get an upgrade on the Wi-Fi antenna as well. It comes with a new and improved dual Aorus antennas which offers 2 times the signal strength with 4 dBi omnidirectional gain. So these are all the items you got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product. As I mentioned before, the Aorus X570 Extreme is a top-of-the-line motherboard that features cutting-edge design and impressive features for the price. And also this is the only X570 motherboard that comes with a fanless design featuring a passively cooled chipset heatsink. That sounds awesome, right? Let me just peel these stickers on the aluminum cover. There you go. Alright, let's have a closer look and talk about the design and the build quality. The Aorus X570 Extreme has a thermal reactive armor design with solid blocks of aluminum heatsinks covering most of the motherboard. This is not just for the looks and aesthetics, but it also greatly increases the thermal performance and keeps it running up to 33 degrees cooler. One more thing if you've observed is, all the aluminum blocks and covers, especially on the VRM section, have a fins array design. This improves the heat dissipation drastically compared to the traditional design and offers excellent performance. Since this is a premium motherboard, it also offers an aluminum base plate on the bottom. The base plate on it is coated with a special layer of nanocarbon material to enhance the thermal radiation capability and dissipate heat much more effectively. Coming back to the front side, the Aorus Extreme supports triple M.2 PCI Gen 4 SSDs with huge heat sinks covering on top of them. Talking about the other features, it's got 4 DDR4 RAM slots with support up to 4400 MHz and 128 GB across all the 4 slots, and comes with RGB Fusion 2.0 lighting. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the main highlight, right? The Aorus Extreme features a direct 16-phase Infineon digital VRM solution that is capable of providing 70 amperes of power from each phase. So what does all of this mean to you? To keep it simple, it offers excellent overclocking capabilities. In fact, this board is specially made for the extreme overclockers, hence the name Aorus Extreme. I can't wait to build a PC with this and see how it performs. Coming to the audio section, this thing comes with top-notch hi-fi audio system featuring ESS Sabre Quad DAC to deliver great signal-to-noise ratio with minimum total harmonic distortion, and also supports high-res music up to 32-bit 192 kHz. On the connectivity section as well, we can see some next level stuff, like it's got Aquantia's 10 gigabit Ethernet port, onboard Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 support, and even has USB turbo charging for smartphones. And the last feature I'd like to highlight is this motherboard features a new right-angled connector design. That means all the ports available on it are present on the right side of the motherboard, that too nicely organized to offer you a much better cable management and airflow. Well, that was our first look at the X570 Aorus Extreme. It packs some crazy never seen before features which makes me all the more excited to get started with my new build. I'll be doing that very soon, probably in a week. It's gonna be epic guys, and the most badass PC I have ever built on the channel. So what do you think about this new board? Are you ready to sell your kidney to buy this, or you're fine with just watching this video? Do let me know in the comment section down below. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video and got to learn a lot. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.